Hello everyone, my name is Abu Bakr Salim and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about two functions in C language, and the name of those functions are getch and getche. So these two functions are also known as character input functions, and whenever we want to use these functions in our program, we first have to include a library at the beginning, which is known as console input output library. And these functions are used to get character input from the user. So we have learned in the previous video about scanf function, and scanf function is used to get input from the user, but we can input numbers which can be both integer or floating point number, and we can also enter character with the help of scanf statement. But with the help of getch or getche function, we can only input character. We cannot input a number or a floating point value, and we can only input a single character using getch or getche function. So first of all, let me write a program. I'm going to create a variable, and the variable is going to be of data type C character. Then I want to get input from the user. So first I'm going to get the input from the user using scanf statements. Just to revise the concept of scanf statement, for that I have to write %c and address operator and ch. Now when I will run this program, a cursor will blink. Let's suppose I have entered a character. After entering the character, I have to press the enter key and the program will proceed. So when I will press the enter key, the program will proceed and it will end. So now I'm going to use getch function and getche function to get the input from the user, character input from the user. So first I have to write ch, which is the name of the variable. Then I have to use get che function, and it is used by placing an underscore and after that writing the name of the function, which is get che. Now when I will run the program, a cursor will blink in front of me, and as soon as I press enter the character, the program will proceed without pressing the enter key. So let me press the character B and the program has proceeded. So this is the difference between scanf and getche function, that scanf function gets the input and after entering the input we have to press the enter key. But when we are using getche function, we enter the character and we do not have to press the enter key. The program proceed itself. If I use getch function instead of getche function, in that case, when I will run the program, the value that I will enter will not be displayed on the screen. So let's suppose I'm going to enter B, but you will not be able to see that B on the screen and the program has proceeded. So there is a very basic difference between getch and getche, and the difference is that getche function echo the character and display it on the console screen, but getche function does not display or echo the character that user has entered. So you can use getch function, you can use getche function, or you can use scanf function to run the program to get the input from the user. So this is it for this video. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.